wizards and muggles alike to my YouTube channel. Today we embark on a magical journey aboard the iconic Hogwarts Express as we dive into the enchanting world of the Hornby 460 locomotive, known as the Hogwarts Castle. But before we explore this model, let's take a step back and delve into its fascinating history of the locomotive that inspired it. Now let's open her up. This is going to be pretty cool. Oh, we'll get that open up. Now I'm going to slide that out. Then, wow. Oh wow, there's some lots of piece of paper. And here we have it. Just, oh wow, beauty. Slide it out. Into my hand. Wow. There you go. That's lovely. So what does that like go in there? Then you have the full train. Oh, got the phone there. It's hard to get out, can't I? Right, well, it's got a little bit of candy, still moulded on. Wow, it's beautiful though. That's nice. Wow. Pretty sure it's even got a light as well in the front. That's pretty cool. Yeah. In the Harry Potter movies, the locomotive used for the Hogwarts Express was the Hall class. This class of locomotives played a crucial role in the GWR Great Western Railway's history. Designed by Charles Collett, the Hall class was introduced in 1928 and quickly became the standard for mixed traffic engines on the GWR. The Hall class locomotives were incredibly successful, so much so that they inspired many other locomotive designs. For a span of 15 years from 1928 to 1943, a total of 258 Hall class locomotives were produced. They were known for their versatility and were capable of hauling both passenger and freight trains with ease. In 1948, with the nationalisation of railways, the Hall class locomotives became a part of British Railways BR fleet. They were classified as 5MT, which stands for 5 mixed traffic, indicating their ability to handle a variety of train types and terrains. It's quite remarkable that a locomotive of this size achieved such high classification. Although many Hall class locomotives were eventually withdrawn from service and scrapped, about 10 have survived and 2 still operate on heritage railways. These locomotives are testament to the enduring legacy and significance of the Hall class on the British railway system. Now let's connect the dots between the history of the Hall class locomotive and the Hornby Hogwarts Castle model we have before us. Hornby has expertly captured the essence and charm of the Hall class locomotive, allowing us to relive the magical adventures of Harry Potter and his friends on the Hogwarts Express. With its attention to detail and faithful representation of the Hornby Hogwarts Castle locomotive is a fitting tribute to both the Hall class and beloved Harry Potter series. Let's continue our exploration of the model and see how it measures up in terms of craftsmanship and performance. The whistle and chimney stack are separately fitted, but the bell appears to be moulded onto the body. The side and front windows are glazed, but the inside windows are the same piece of plastic, lacking separate parts. The cab detail lacks separately fitted or painted parts, with only moulded detail. However, the outside of the cab features nice riveting. The running number is 5972, and further along there is the nameplate, Hogwarts Castle. Although it's just a transfer, it still looks reasonably well. The wheel skirts have a nice orange and gold trim, adding to the aesthetic appeal. There are wire handrails and pipes running along the border, adding to the overall detail. At the front there is the Hogwarts Castle crest. The model features sprung buffers both at the front and the back, the buffer having riveting, a vacuum pipe and a coupling hook. The tender showcases lots of riveting, but the coal looks average and is not removable. On the back there are footholds, a vacuum pipe and some handrails. On the other end there are two lever type features. There is a seam where the two parts drawn on the top of the locomotive, which might be disliked, as well as a seam on the underside. The boiler shows where it is cut off from a locomotive, and you can see the locomotive's motor and worm drive. Now let's do the performance test. Now this loco has got a 5-pole motor, so it should run reasonably well. So let's try the crawl. Oh, keeps jamming up. Good, it might be because I have done a little bit of fiddling inside trying to check all the motors, and I realised Hornby tells you what's got inside it. It's very cool. Before I could actually get it to do a really slow one, since it's stuck. I do need to fill my track, which is, it's weird how it's not doing what I was doing before. Oh, yeah, but it's definitely because my track's different. Need a little bit of cleaning. Oh, yeah, it just completely stops. So yeah, I don't know what to say for that. I don't know if you can tell, but it does have a light on the front. Actually forgot to tell you about that in detailing. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh yeah. See how much it can pull. Okay, so we've added 3. Now you may have never seen these before, because these have a coupling that this doesn't connect to, but I realised that this one has a coupling. It's got one coupling that's the hook one and one that's the circly thingy one. So I can finally use these. Come on. I need to clean my track. But yes, it can pull it just fine. Let's do some more. Okay, so I believe I've added 3 more cars. Or passenger coaches, eh? Seems to be moving. It just got stuck. Yes. Oh, that's quite a bit. Now I'll add some more. Now, I've no idea how many I added. I think it was like another 3. Oh, that's what was the problem. The tender derailed. Just put that back on. Now, how are things derailed? But yet, this, a loco, can pull it. What is... Why is it motored? Why? Oh, weird. So how... I need to add more. Okay. Now let's see if we can pull 11. How? That's 11. How strong is a 5-pole motor? Some people say pull, but it's actually pole because there's 5 of them on the motor. I don't know where, but they're on the outside or thingy. I don't know how to explain it. Just Look it up, look it up. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll add some more. I've added 3 more. This is way too many coaches. Even, or things, cars, train cars. How? That, no. I seem to have left behind one, but I'll just put some more on. Now that's 17 altogether. Wow, that's so many. Get out of here. Get out of here. Can't pull it. Can it pull it? Don't. Oh, why am I leaving power? Yes, it can. It may stop. Oh, it stopped. Oh, it came off. Wow. So if this loco can pull these 21 carriages or cars, it is so strong. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna get it to pull, so let's find out. No way! It's actually, nah! That's gnarly! What the? Oh, it stopped. That's gnarly. Wow, that's incredible. Well, I found what the problem is when it's going backwards. So I opened it up before. I think I messed it up, and so it's like all jittery and stuff that goes backward. I don't understand why. But anyway, I'm going to add some more carriages or cars or something. Now, if I've counted correctly, that is 27. Oh, I think we reached the end. I really can't see the camera because of how far it's going across. Now, let's go all the way back around here. See if it can pull them. Surely not. Oh, it's derailed. But what? I mean, barely. So around 27 is where we got. But it was just almost pulling them. Probably because we have a bit of a gradient on this level. Wow. Truly insane. That is so much. Yeah. On to the next one.